In this video, we unbox the AR-MINIDC-3 Mini DC UPS, specially designed to power Wi-Fi routers, modems, and set-top boxes, and show you everything included in the package. Next, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step setup to connect your router or Wi-Fi camera to this DC UPS and select the correct voltage for seamless operation. This Mini DC UPS equipped with an 8,800 mAh battery. This Mini UPS provides up to 8 hours of backup power, ensuring reliable operation for Wi-Fi routers, modems, DTH set-top boxes, and even USB smartphone charging. This device supports multiple power outputs, including 9V or 12V, 1 to 2 amps, for routers, PoE output, 15V or 24V, and USB output up to 1.7 amp, allowing it to handle various devices simultaneously. The built-in battery indicator allows you to check the charge and backup level at a glance, so you're always aware of remaining power. Enjoy lag-free backup during power outages. Micro-load detection prevents cutoff even for low-power devices like Wi-Fi routers, ensuring an uninterrupted connection. Designed for seamless use with leading brands such as TP-Link, D-Link, Netgear, Cisco, and Asus, the zero-lag switching feature maintains smooth transitions between main power and battery backup. The package includes a power cable for direct UPS charging, an output Y cable for dual-device backup, such as a router and modem, and 2 bridge connectors for enhanced compatibility. With the help of its powerful 8,800 mAh battery, this Mini UPS is designed to provide up to 8 hours of uninterrupted power for a single connected device, such as a Wi-Fi router, during a power outage. This means that even when main power is lost, the UPS will kick in seamlessly to keep the device running without interruption, allowing you to stay online or maintain connectivity. The long battery life is particularly useful in extended outages, ensuring stable performance for your essential devices well beyond typical backup options. To start charging the UPS, connect the power cable to the input port of the UPS and then turn on the AC power. Once the UPS begins charging, a green LED light will illuminate on the status indicator, showing that the unit is actively receiving power. Additionally, you'll see the battery charging level displayed in percentage, allowing you to monitor the progress of the charge until it reaches full capacity. Note, the UPS is currently in off mode, so when the AC power is turned off, the UPS will not provide any output power or show the battery status indicator. Before connecting your devices, start by selecting the correct DC output based on your device's power requirements. For example, if you are using a 12V modem, adjust the UPS to output 12V using the selector switch. Next, connect the provided output Y cable to the UPS's DC output port. This Y cable enables you to power up to 2 devices at once, such as both a modem and a router, ensuring that each device receives the correct voltage for continuous operation during power outages. The end of the Y cable comes with a connector that includes a mini port pin, which is suitable for devices with smaller DC pin inputs. If your device requires a larger DC pin size, simply remove the mini port pin adapter from the cable. After connecting your devices and confirming the correct output voltage selection, turn on the UPS by pressing the power button located at the front of the unit. Hold the button for 2 to 3 seconds to boot up the UPS. Once powered on, you will see either the DC 12V or DC 9V LED indicator light up, depending on your selected output. This indicator confirms that the UPS is now in backup mode, supplying power to your connected devices. To test the UPS power backup, simply unplug the AC input power. Observe the connected devices, they should continue to operate without any interruption. If everything is functioning smoothly, this confirms that the DC UPS is working properly and effectively providing backup power to your devices. This test ensures that you can rely on the UPS during power outages, keeping your essential equipment running as needed. Important notes. For first-time use, please ensure that the device is fully charged to 100%. This UPS is designed to be connected to your router 24/7, so always keep it plugged into the main power supply to maintain optimal charge levels for backup during power outages. In the event of a power outage, the status LED will change from green to red, indicating that the UPS has switched to backup mode and is actively powering your device. To turn the UPS output on or off, press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. This will toggle the UPS between active and standby modes, controlling the power output to your connected devices. If you need to connect devices that require a DC 9-volt power supply, start by disconnecting any currently connected devices from the UPS. Next, toggle the output selector switch to DC 9-volt to adjust the voltage setting. Once set, connect your DC 9-volt devices to the UPS to ensure they receive the appropriate power output. Note, this UPS can output either 9-volt or 12-volt, but not both simultaneously. When set to one voltage, either 9-volt or 12-volt, all connected devices will receive that same output level. It is not possible to supply a 9-volt on one pin and 12-volt on another at the same time. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content and providing resources to our community. Every bit of support truly makes a difference, and we appreciate it greatly. Thank you.